everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple trick to create a transparent text watermark in CapCut Mobile using an overlay and blend feature. So in here, you don't need a transparent PNG or any complicated editing tools. We can create the watermark directly in CapCut. So let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then create a new project. And then for this first project, we're only going to create the watermark. You can use any background color, but in here, I recommend using a solid background because it works really well with this method. In here, I use the black background like this. And then just add your text. Just type your watermark, for example, like this. And then you can adjust the fonts as you like for the color, the style, the fonts, just it as you like. For example, in here I want to make it like this, and then adjust the durations like this. And once you're happy with the design, just export the video like this. And then after that, just create new projects and import your video that you want to add the watermark. For example, I want to add this one. And then after that, just import the watermark video that you want to add to this video. Add overlay like this, and then at this first time you will see the watermark together with its black background. But this is where the trick comes in. Just select the watermark clip and then just go to Splice. And then in here you can use lighten or filter or dodge like this. These three options produce a very similar result for this type of watermark, the transparent watermark. Like for example, in here I want to use lighten, and then you can adjust the opacity on here. And as you can see, the black background disappears, leaving only the text, like this. And you can see the watermark looks much more subtle and slightly transparent over the original video, like this. And if you want a different look, you can also try for the filter or dodge, like this. Maybe the result can be slightly different depending on your text color and the video underneath. So just choose whichever one looks best for your watermark. In here, I want to choose lighter. And then after you adjust the opacity, you can also adjust its size and then replace it. Just reposition the watermark so you can place it in a place that you want, anywhere that you want, like this. You can also resize it like this. And okay, that's it. You have now created a transparent looking text watermark in CapCut Mobile without needing a transparent background file. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.